Cars are integral to our lives. Europe and the USA have seen nearly uninterrupted growth in car ownership. And increasing affluence in Asia has meant that traffic numbers have exploded in the last 30 years. As the world's population continues to grow, so inevitably will the number of vehicles and scrap tires. Each year an incredible 20 million tons of tires need disposing of, and currently this amount increases by approximately 4% every year. Typically, this takes place in three ways. Dumping in landfill sites, since 2006, no longer an option within the EU. Incineration, a waste of raw material that results in increased CO2 emissions. And by material recycling, the best available solution. The use of advanced recycling technology means that almost 100% of a tire's component parts can be recycled to produce new raw material. No human hand touches the tires during Genan's recycling process. Washing removes all dirt and other impurities. The water used is recycled at each plant. The tires are cut up into tire chips, which are then cut into smaller and smaller pieces. Approximately 15% of modern tires are made up of steel. The steel recovered at this stage is used where new steel would otherwise be required. The remaining material is now further separated. The 10% textile material is extracted, leaving 75% pure rubber. Genan rubber contains the fewest impurities of any other recycled rubber product. While others promise 99.9% purity, Genan promises 99.99% purity. This equals 900 grams less impurities per ton of recycled rubber material. This is especially important when you consider the new applications which the recovered tire rubber is used for: football pitches, playgrounds, asphalt, new tires, and so on. This type of technology reduces the demand for mining new steel and deforestation to produce new rubber. This reduces CO2 emissions by 1 to 2 tons per ton of recycled tires. Legislation is needed to ensure that tires are required by law to be recycled, and that recycled material is used in new products wherever possible. Such legislation would turn used tires from an environmental burden into a valuable resource. Creating new raw material, rather than continuing to dump and incinerate, is clearly in all our interests. Don't dump or burn a valuable resource. True recycling requires processing at a level where the output substitutes virgin materials. Consequently, this leads to avoided production and a profound saving of resources.